Most people, when they call the office and they're charged with a sex crime, are in ultimate panic mode because they know just the allegation could wind up with them going to prison and being labeled a sex offender for the rest of their life. The first thing we're going to do is lower your stress level, and we're going to do that by listening to all the facts and circumstances surrounding the allegation so we know where and how to start your defense. Once we know the allegations, we are going to educate you on what we need to do defense-wise and the necessary steps that are going to be taken in the oncoming months to start perfecting that defense. We're going to try and take as much stress away from you, and we can do that by always being available to you, answering all your questions, and taking a proactive approach in defending you. Some of the biggest mistakes people make when they're facing a sex crime charge is starting out by doing nothing. They're scared, they're worried, and it's like, I'll get a lawyer tomorrow, I'll get a lawyer tomorrow. And days, weeks, months go by, and without legal representation, nothing can be done to investigate the facts of their case, nothing can be done to help relieve their stress, and nothing can be done to help put them in a better position. So you may be wondering on how to choose a criminal defense attorney. One, you have to find a firm that solely focuses on criminal defense. Firms that do criminal defense, divorce, personal injury, they are spread too thin. You need a firm that does solely criminal defense. Second of all, you should find a firm that has former prosecutors in it. As a former prosecutor, I know the other side, and I know how to best position your case because of that knowledge. Third, you need to find a lawyer who is truly going to invest the time and effort in defending you. If you're on the fence about hiring a sex crimes attorney, you need to make sure you do it and do not wait. The biggest mistake you can make is by sitting back doing nothing, because at this point in time, I know you're scared, I know you're worried, and at times when people are scared and worried, they kind of freeze up and they don't want to act. This is not the time to freeze up. You need to hire a lawyer who is going to set out a plan, a defense for you, and walk you through the steps that they're going to take in defending you. Saying, I know everybody, I got this, I'll take care of you, is not it. What's your plan? How are you going to defend me? What do we need to do in the oncoming months? How are you going to evaluate this? What do I need to do as your client to put myself in the best possible position? Or what are the things that you don't want me to do to ensure I don't do anything to make the defense more difficult?